Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can transfer Amazon gift card balance to UPI ID. So basically here, UPI is a banking system for money transfers on payment apps. So to add a bank account to Google Pay, your bank must work with UPI. So UPI ID is an address that identifies you on UPI. So typically your name, at, and bank name. So to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to UPI ID, you need to transfer the balance to your bank account. So to transfer your balance to bank account, for example here, if we go to your Amazon account, okay, so for example, you want to open your Amazon, usually you are going to the accounts. Then if you want to redeem your gift cards, you're going to go to these gift cards here. You'll find your current balance and going to click on redeem a gift card. And usually you're going to enter your claim code and apply it to your balance, and it will add up to your gift card balance here. But as you can see, your gift card balance can't be transferred to other accounts, used to buy other gift cards, or redeem for cash. So if you review the terms and condition, we don't have any direct option to transfer your gift card balance to your bank account. But the other method or other way to transfer your balance to your bank account is basically you can resell your Amazon gift card. For example, you can ask your friend to trade your gift card to cash. For example, if you want to buy or purchase a product on Amazon using your gift card, and then with that product, you can just trade it to your friends and change it into cash that you can transfer into your bank account. The other way here is by going to the Raise Marketplace, right? So add a new tab here, and then we're going to type Raise Marketplace, and then you will find the results here. The website Raise buy and sell discounted gift cards saved today. So if we're going to click on this one, so as you can see, the Raise Marketplace, here you can sell your gift cards for cash. So you can transfer it to your PayPal and you can just add it to your bank account. So once you click on sell a card, as you can see the three easy steps right here. Find your cards and then list for sale and then get paid. As you can see, receive funds via direct deposit or PayPal when you sell. So when you receive that funds to your PayPal, then you can transfer from PayPal to your bank account or credit or debit card. So with that, when you transfer your balance into your bank account, then basically you can just add it or transfer it to your UPI ID. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.